In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide explicit content or unwanted content on Twitch. So if you want to exclude some content or to hide some content on your Twitch account, it's pretty simple. This feature is available for you to give you more control so that you or whoever is using this account might not be exposed to some content such as mature content or explicit content. To hide unwanted content, go ahead and click on your profile icon here on your Twitch account and then go to settings. From settings, head over to content preferences, and here you are told hide content with content classification labels. So here, control how content labeled with the content classification labeled is displayed across Twitch. Here, go ahead and choose the type of content you wish to label. For instance, I want to label this content, also label this, and also even hide this. So all these that I've selected will be hidden. So that's how you can hide unwanted content on your Twitch account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.